All right, my guys, we are going to walk through a real easy creation with rope here, putting a face swapping on a video. I'm going to show you some small tips. The cool thing about this is how easy this is, and there's some small things you can do to really help your videos get better. So we're going to end up making this video here. That's not really David Hasselhoff, by the way. All right, so we're going to go ahead and make that video. I'm going to show you how to do that real easy. Before we do that, please like the video and share it, as it does help the whole community. So appreciate that, okay? So anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to pop over to the internet, okay? And what we got to do is we got to get our video link. So what we do here is just go again, we find it, Control A to highlight it all, and then Control C to copy it. Okay, then we need to get this downloaded so that we can use it. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop over here to our or Windows Explorer, and I've created this easy, just little one-click thing here that will pop up a window that looks like this. Gosh, if I could get over there, I would certainly like that. Okay, so it's just going to pop this bad boy up here. So there we go. And then you're just going to paste that into there. Okay? If you don't have YTDLP, it'll install it for you really easy. Just uses Python. It's going to download this thing, and then you'll notice we'll pop back over to here, and there you go. It's downloaded it for us. Okay? So next thing we got to do is just go back, go here, go back over to where we have installed our one-click installer for rope. Real easy. We just clicked this to install it. It did everything on its own, and then we went ahead, click the run, and then it pops directly up into this bad boy here. Okay, so now we're ready to go. That was real easy. Typically, what you got to do is you got to find a way to download that file, which might mean going to a website, finding the right one that'll let you get the file. Not all online downloaders will get what you want either, or otherwise you download it with this YTDLP and you end up having to convert it. This little one-click file will convert everything to you. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and choose the file that we put that in there, because if this had been down in a WebM format, it would not have worked. It would freeze the app. So we have to get it in MP4. So we can click that, load up the video. Let's go ahead and click Start Rope here anyways, because we need to get our face videos. So we just move forward here, find the first one that we're going to work with, and we click Swap Faces just to make sure it remembers to swap faces. We're going to click Find Faces, and then we just click on it, and then we click the first person. Cool thing about this is you can do multiple people. So you'll notice it takes about a second, and it puts it on the face. Now we'll go up here, and we're going to find this face. Okay, so we'll go Find Faces. This time we click there and we click on the other person. Okay, now it's going to change. So what we want to do is we want to be looking for glitches, though, because it doesn't always recognize the face. So let's go ahead and click play. If we clicked this first, it would record, so we're not clicking that, but we click this, and we're going to be watching for the face glitches. See if there's anything here. Okay. As we go, we're looking for some changes there. Don't see anything there. It's changed a bit. So let's go back to here. Let's see if we can get down. Oh, it's holding it pretty good together there. It's funny, it wasn't doing it before. Okay, let's say it comes out like this. Let's say it's going and the video is looking like this. Okay, it's not changed, so that's kind of a lot of time there. So what we can do is we get to just to the part where we've got enough face, and let's click Find Faces. Okay, there, it found it. So now what we can do is we can add a multiple one. So we're going to click that one, put her face on there again. Okay, so that's going to fix that. Okay, let's go back and watch this again, see if we notice any other glitches. Oh, there it looked like it didn't change underwater. Okay, so that's Andy's face. That's not. Okay, so let's go ahead and click Find Faces. Click there. Click her face again. So notice we can do this with multiple areas. Wherever you find that it's not changing it, go ahead and see what you can do. Okay, so let's go ahead and press play. Let's go ahead and record it actually. So we're going to go back to here. We'll hit the record. This primes it, and then we're going to hit play. Now, oh, actually, you know what? Let's stop. Before we do this, let's go over here to FMPEG quality, and let's turn this down to 0. That's going to give us the highest quality. Okay, I don't know why the higher number isn't the highest, but the way this is set up is low number is the best. So now we'll go prime this thing. Hit play. It's recording. It's getting all the faces. Notice it. Okay, it did a little bit there, but it goes on. Okay, we could add more faces if we wanted, but we don't want to. So when we click the play button to stop, the record finishes. Okay, so if we go over to here, back to our folder. Okay, what we'll notice is that it saved it for us. Okay, so if we go ahead and click this, let's get over to here first. Okay, we just did a short one there. Oh, here's the actual one. That first one was the one that we stopped at. So there you have it. That was really easy. This rope one-click stuff is great. Listen, if this had not been the uncensored model too, it probably would have put blocks over the faces because of the swimsuits and all that kind of stuff. So that's one of the things, you want to be able to create what you need to create when you want to create it. And the one-click installer was literally as easy as just clicking the install. Oops, where did we go? As easy as clicking the install and then clicking the run, and then it popped us up to here just like that, and we were able to make our video. The other tip was that if you're seeing glitches in the video where it's not capturing the face, stop it, recapture the face, re-put the face on there, and it will get it, it'll move it towards better and better and better the longer you tweak with it. I will say one last thing. If you really want to freak out on this stuff, go get the source files, because what these things do is it cuts it down, every video, into like say 1,000 pictures, right? 1,000 images, frames. And if you really want to go in there, you're finding like frames that aren't working quite right, go into where the source is, take each individual image and work on it individually and then add it back in. So that's all the software is doing. So I hope that was helpful. Go check out, you can get the one click over my Patreon site. If you have any questions, let me know. I am happy to help you. So enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll catch you later.